So welcome back to another video, man. Before we get this video started, man, I always do that. I'm always dropping my phone. But before we get this video started, man, I just want to thank y'all for the love on that last video, on the giveaway video, man, for the P5. So I just want to reiterate, make sure if you aren't subscribed, to subscribe to the channel. Comment on that video. Please go comment on the PS5 video. Even if you already subscribed, go back and comment on that video, because if you don't comment, you don't have a chance to win that PS5. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna pick a random comment from a website. It's gonna pick a random comment from that actual video. So if y'all don't comment, y'all won't have a chance to win. I just wanna let y'all know that. So make sure y'all listening to that video, to the rules to it, because there's a certain way I'm gonna do it. So make sure y'all go watch that video. Subscribe, like, share, and make sure y'all comment in that video. I don't want anybody to not have a chance to win. There was like 500, 600 views, I think. Matter of fact, let me check. There was a good amount of views. There's 464 views, but there's only 115 comments. So that means 300 and some change people watched it and is not gonna have a chance to win. So make sure, if y'all watch that video, comment. I don't care if you was already subscribed or you just subscribed. Make sure you comment, so that way you got a chance to win. So right now, 435 views, but only 115 comments. So make sure y'all go comment. I don't care what it is. Y'all can say whatever y'all want. PS5 done, subscribe, whatever y'all want. Even if y'all just comment on the video or the car, comment something, so that way you have a chance to get picked for that PS5. But let's go ahead and get this video started, y'all. So we good money. I got everything ready to go. Got the GoPro going on. I got the POV for y'all. You already know what time it is. We don't do nothing but 7 on 7. So all right, let's get it going. But yo, pretty much I'm bringing y'all this video, man. The most powerful SUV in the world has been stolen already, son. So if y'all know, the Dodge just dropped the Durango Hellcat probably like a month or two ago, right? And obviously they're, from people doing orders, they're starting to go to lots, right? But this in particular, where this joint got me going? Okay, I gotta go back the other way. But in particular, right, this one that was stolen was out of an employee's driveway. Like, bro, y'all getting crazy with the stealing. Like, I already know there was a demand. I already know in Detroit they was going crazy over the Hellcats. Even in other states and cities, they was going crazy. Oh my God, sounds so good. I know they was going crazy already anyway for Hellcats and Challengers and Chargers, right? I already knew that. But to steal a brand new car that hasn't even dropped yet out of a FCA employee's lot, son, y'all different. Yo, y'all is different. Y'all stealing from the workers though, out of their own crib. Yo, y'all is different. Shout out to Mopar Insiders too. That's where I got that information from. There's an article on it online. So bro, it was, oh my, that joint's so tough too, bro. I like the way it looked in the front. It looked mad aggressive in the front. I can't get over how aggressive that joint looked. But yeah, man, they done stole the SRT Hellcat Durango out of a FCA employee's driveway. If y'all don't know what FCA is, that's pretty much the facility, the owners, the company of Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, Fiat. Those are the owners. So one of the workers pretty much probably test driving a car or something, or maybe it was his personal car. I don't know. I didn't actually read the whole thing, but 710 horsepower, man. They stole it right out of his driveway. From me reading the article, right, it was like 3 minutes that they got it. It got in it, got it started, and pulled off. 3 minutes, son. Yo, that's crazy. Like, I'm glad I'm in a city where people don't be on that type of time, because mine would probably be gone too. No question. But yeah, that's crazy, son. Car ain't even hit the lots yet, and they own it. So that, yo, And that lets you know, bro, they had to been watching him. They had to been following him for a couple days, planning it out. They had one little scout driver in the car from what I read, and then it was 2 people that actually jumped in a Durango Hellcat and had it, was getting it started. The problem with these cars is, man, they not hard to steal at all. They're super easy to steal from, especially if you got a sunroof. All they do is pry this open and push it back and jump in. And usually they got some kind of device to get the car started, so that way it syncs with your remote. And that's how they get the car started. So these cars are really easy to steal, man. That's the bad part about it. You can steal these cars so easily. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but it's just crazy, man. Like, they ain't playing no games. Like, no traction, bro. My traction is gone. But anyway, they stealing from owners. That's one thing. Like, bro, you can't be stealing cars at all. Like, that's just crazy. But they had the audacity to steal it from the FCA owner. And probably, I mean, clearly they probably didn't know he was a, well, they had to, because the car not even hitting lots yet. They just now starting to hit lots recently. But to steal it from the FCA owner, bro, and the car didn't even officially like hit lots, like they're not on multiple lots yet. That's crazy, bro. Like, they don't play no games out there, bro. You literally gotta have every kind of car, every Dodge product with a 6.2 Hemi in it in a garage, or you just gonna be, or your shit gonna be gone, son. I seen a video a couple weeks ago, like I was just telling y'all, where they jumped through the sunroof, bro. They pushed the car. There's a thing, there's a handle somewhere here that you can pop it open, right? Actually, it's right here. It goes right here. You can pop it open, right, and it'll put the car in neutral. Bro, I watched a video where they hopped through the sunroof. They just literally, they pretty much broke the sunroof, just pushed it all the way back, hopped in. One dude was in the car. He put the car in neutral. The other one was in the back of the car. He pushed it out of the driveway, right? Once the car rolled into the street, he turned it on and took off, bro. Like, it's so crazy, like, how they be stealing these cars. And the thing is, the problem is, it's supply and demand. People want the parts so bad. They know they gonna sell. Like, when they strip them down, oh, they getting their money's worth for them cars. So it just sucks, man, that some of the owners is losing their cars this way, man. That's crazy. There was actually a guy in the Hellcat forums that got his car stolen, and then like 3 days later, somebody found it on the street on bricks with nothing. I mean, they took the hood, the motor, the wheels, the brakes. They took some of the inside interior. Like, they don't be playing no games, bro. That junk is crazy. Like, I gotta probably find me like a little safety device or something, some security device, so they can't steal it, or just keep mine low. I make sure that nobody follow me home most of the time, though. If I do feel like somebody follow me, I just leave their ass so they can't keep up. But I just want to let y'all know, man, make sure y'all putting y'all cars in your garage. Make sure y'all got them joints locked too, because a few of the cars they've been stealing been unlocked too, which is weird. There was another video of a Durango. It wasn't a Hellcat, it was an SRT Durango. It was 2 guys walking up to a crib in broad daylight, bro. It was like 9, 10 in the morning, broad daylight. And they hopped in the car because the doors were open. Matter of fact, it wasn't even Durango, it was a Hellcat Charger. They hopped in the car because the doors were open, but for some reason they just couldn't get it started. So he got lucky. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to find a clip for y'all and play it right now. He got lucky. He got lucky that they couldn't start the car, but he left his doors open. Like, I get it, you live in a nice neighborhood, but you can't leave the doors open, man. Those downshifts be sounding crazy. Yeah, you can't leave the doors open to these cars, man, because people want them, bro. They want them. And they know it's guaranteed money, so they gone. If they get a hold of it, it's over. Bro, your car gonna be stripped down in 24 hours. But nothing left. I haven't seen one so bad, bro. They took the steering wheel. Yo, they took the steering wheel, bro, so you couldn't even get that joint moving if you wanted to. They took the steering wheel. Bro, they savages for these cars, bro. Savages. It's just from my personal experience, it's just easy money, bro. Easy money. The wheels could easily go for 2 bands on a black market or on Facebook or wherever. Easily 2 bands. The motor could easily 10 bands. Somebody easily pay 10 to 15 bands for the motor, easily. And that's fully equipped too, like the tranny, ECU, all that stuff. They take all of that. They don't play no games. They don't leave nothing. They might leave a couple harnesses and stuff, but the motor is gone. Motor, tranny, they take all of that out. That's all gone. So like I said, that's easy. That easily could go for 10K, 15K, especially a low mileage one. The wheels easily could go for 15, 2 bands. The brakes easily 15, 2 bands. It's just easy bread for them, man. So they just be stealing these joints. It's crazy though. But I just want to let y'all know, man, be safe with y'all SRT product, man, because they not playing games out here. And it seems like it don't matter what state you live in, because they stealing them from everywhere. What the hell is that? Yeah, it seems like they stealing them from everywhere. So don't think your car too good, because they'll definitely steal your shit for real. But pretty much that's all I want to talk about, man. Just make sure y'all keep your car safe. Make sure y'all lock your doors every time y'all get out, man. Because, bro, I've seen some people get lucky with not getting their car stolen because they just left the doors open. I mean, they bold enough to just get in them, sit in them for 5 or 10 minutes and try to get them started. And then if they can't, they'll just get out and walk away like nothing happened. But for most of the owners I see, they carry guns and all that, so they should be straight. Not to say you should just shoot people just cause, but at least scare them off or something, man. Or get some type of security device from getting your car stolen. Either I'm driving slow or he going mad fast, because for some reason I can't catch him, and I've been doing crazy pulls up these hills. He might be driving a little faster than I am or something, because I can't catch him. Not that I'm actually trying to, but I've been doing random pulls and can't. By the way, man, if I know a lot of people say they don't drive their car in the winter, I promise y'all this car probably drives the best in the winter. These last couple of days where it's been 35, 40 degrees, I swear to y'all, this car been pulling 10 times harder than it ever did when I first got it, bro. If y'all don't remember, in one of my videos, I was saying the car starting to feel slow to me, and I missed that feeling. I'm telling you, the last 2 or 3 days, I got that feeling back, because I don't know if it's just, these cars just love the cooler air, because they just run so hot. But when I tell y'all, this car been pulling crazy the last couple days, it's been feeling like a whole new car, and I have not done anything to it since the intake. So I don't know, man, I kind of got that feeling back. These pulls been feeling crazy lately. Yeah, man, the car been feeling 10 times better, man. It's cooler weather. It's 60 today, so it's a little warmer today. But man, these last couple days where it's been cold, I swear the car been feeling like a whole new car, y'all. Whole new car. This was the longest 20-minute drive I ever had, too. Let's say I got 7 minutes left. Supercharger just sounds so mean, man. Supercharger sounds so crazy. This dried up salt is killing me. Yo, do y'all hear the supercharger literally? Yo, that's crazy. You can hear the supercharger all the way down to RPM, bruh. I ain't never went down no hills like these before, bruh. Never. Oh, y'all hear all the pops? Damn, whoever came for the POV, this probably the best one yet. With these kind of hills, I ain't never been on no hills like this before. And it's crazy out here in these little towns, boy, this car be getting crazy looks because they just ain't, you know what I'm saying, they ain't never heard or seen nothing like. Look how he looking. Yo, that's car. And I look like I'm pulling up to one of my locations though, y'all. So hopefully I enjoyed that video, man. Again, man, just hey, yo, lock them doors, man. Lock y'all doors, put your cars in your garage. If y'all ain't got no garage, hey, man, make sure y'all got somewhere to stash your car or something, cause they out here, bro, and they stealing these cars easily. I would hate for y'all to spend 70, 80 grand, 70K on a car just to have it stolen. Cause that's pain, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'd be tight if that was my car. But at the same time, they probably getting a check or something written off for it or whatever the case may be. They ain't probably just gonna buy another one. I wouldn't be too mad, I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't be too mad at that, cause I'd definitely go get the red eye charger. Or a Trackhawk. That'd be, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Matter of fact, I would definitely probably go get a Trackhawk. Cause you can't beat that all-wheel drive, man. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video, because I think I'm gonna go put my snow tires on. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get that done. And then again, if y'all watch this whole video, right, make sure y'all go watch the PS5 giveaway video. Make sure y'all watch through it, like it, share it, and comment so that you have a chance to win, man. I don't want nobody to not have a chance to win. Like I said, there was over 400 views and there was only 115 comments. So that means 300 people or so didn't comment so that they could win the PS5. So, but pretty much that's all I got for y'all today, man. Crazy. Just be aware of y'all surroundings, man. I always look outside several times a day too, just to make sure my car's still there. That's what you got to do sometimes, man, when you got stuff like this. People just want it bad. But that's it, man. You already know what time it is, man. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay safe, man. I'm out, man. Peace.